Well, here's a little bonus for you, and I'm so pleased with this. A few years back, I tried to emulate what Chams 123 was doing in modifying the old Triang controllers to try and get more control out of the older Triang Hornby Locos. And here's one of them that I modified just as John had suggested. That one's not 100% complete, but this one is. And the difference is, you can see this piece of aluminium extrusion, which will draw all the heat out of this unit. And you can see I've put a couple of jumper cables in there, just as John suggested. And I made a little video about that and posted it on my YouTube channel. Now jump forward a few years, and then I heard about these variable power modules, and there's one right there. I got it from China. It was, a couple of dollars, and there are some different types around. There's another one, plus this one here, which comes with the stop, forward, reverse, and the controller. So they're all very similar. That looks very much like that one, but this one at the moment only has, it has forward and reverse through this toggle and the power. What I had to do was I had to find the appropriate type of adapter and from an old laptop computer, and I hooked that up, and I've wired the little unit, positive and negative, into the positive and negative, and let's just see what happens here when I turn it on. So there you go. But that's fantastic from this little unit. So as you can see, the little power light comes on, and the guys over at Budget Model Railways came up with a little box to put them in. They did a 3D print of it. Now, I can't put my fingers on it right now, but that is just fantastic. For a few dollars, you've got another controller rather than these two monolithic monsters here. And I've already asked Charlie Bishop about them, especially this clipper, to give me some input into it. So I thought you would appreciate seeing this, and I'm really very happy with that. And we'll just see if we can control the speed there. Goes to a nice crawl, but my layout leaves a little bit to desire in terms of the track being fixed properly, which I think is part of the problem with some of the Locos not working. And also I've got an older piece of track in there which I should jump, but that's great performance from a little unit, and really happy about that. So we'll turn it off and then see if we can go into, put it into reverse. Just yeah, that looks great. The Loco needs a little bit of a cleaning, but this is a huge improvement. This means if I want to, I can run 3 trains at the same time. But I'm not, as I said, I'm not really sure whether I'm going to go with that. I may end up with just the 2 tracks on this level and add in some kind of a fiddle yard. I thought you'd be pleased to see that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and look into these variable power modules. They're only a couple of bucks on Amazon or eBay. You get them in China, and some electronic stores would also have them. So very worthwhile, and you can put a number of them around your layout, and that means I can also experiment with this old Triang unit that's been converted, and that should give me additional control for more tracks. Anyway, ring that bell, please subscribe, and look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.